Well, good morning to you all, good morning. What is it today? Friday, 21st of June 2024. Oh, hello. The weather forecasting grandma has decided maybe she doesn't want to be on the roof. Yes, quite. I agree. Yeah, 21st of June, normally thought of as the longest day of the year. And, weather not exactly exciting. But there's a few little things that I need to be doing. Actually, there's a lot of big things I need to be doing, but there's a few little things that I'm going to do. I'm going to train the tomatoes up their sticks. Certain amount of string tying and such likes. I was talking to some of my friends about how the fruit doesn't seem to be changing colour yet. Now, I don't know about you, but I go through life without understanding much of what's going on, and I've got an excuse. You know, people speak to me in a language that is foreign to me, and sometimes they say things and I'm really quite not sure what they meant. So I was chatting to an elderly and very proper French lady who speaks not a word of English, but she does know all about growing tomatoes, and she knows a lot more about gardening than I do. And I said, you know, my tomatoes aren't changing colour. And she said something in fairly rapid French that I thought I sort of understood, but at the same time I didn't. And I guess I must have looked a bit puzzled, because she stood up and demonstrated. And what she said in French was, if you want your tomatoes to go red, go out into the garden, pull your trousers down and show them your backside, and your tomatoes will go red. She was joking. I hope. But there we are. So, those of you that are growing tomatoes, if they're not changing colour, yeah, go out into the garden, pull your trousers down and show them your backside, and they'll go red. Apparently. I do know a good firm of solicitors who can help you with what happens next.